A. B. C. D.
A B C D E F G H I J K
E.
L M N O P Q R S T U V
F.
W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
G.
Next time won't you sing with me?
H.
A
I.
B C D E F G H I
J.
J K L M N O P Q R S T U
K.
V W X Y and Z.
L.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you
M.
sing with me?
N. O. P. Q.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N
R.
O P Q R S T U V W X
S.
Y and Z. Now I know my
T.
ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
U. V.
A B C
W.
D E F G H I J K L M
X.
N O P Q R S
Y.
T U V W X Y
Z.
and Z. Now
Let's
I
paint.
know my
Green
ABCs.
color.
Next time won't you sing with
A.
me?
J. E. N. O. S. W. Yellow color.
Do you know the Muffin Man?
C.
Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Do you know the Muffin Man?
G.
Who lives on Drury Lane?
H.
We know the Muffin Man, the
L.
Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know
Q.
the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
U. Y. Red color. B. F.
Do you know the Muffin Man?
K.
The Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Do
P.
you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury
T.
Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man,
X.
the Muffin Man,
Orange color.
Muffin Man. Yes, we know the
D.
Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
I. M. R. V.
Do you know the Muffin Man?
Z.
The